All Phantom 4 series remote controllers are linked to the aircraft before delivery. But if the aircraft status indicator blinks yellow quickly, and the status LED on the remote controller is solid red, the remote controller needs to be linked with the aircraft. This video will show you how to link your Phantom 4 Pro with its remote controller. These steps also apply to the Phantom 4 Advanced. There are two ways to link the Phantom 4 Pro. Here's how to link your RC with DJI Go 4. Launch DJI Go 4. Select Remote Controller Settings. Press Linking Remote Controller and tap OK. The remote controller will emit a beeping sound, and the indicator will flash blue, indicating that it's ready to link. To the right of the aircraft nose, find the hole between the SD card slot and the USB port. Press the button with a pen or suitable tool, hold it for 2 seconds, and release it. Beeping will stop, and the remote controller indicator will turn green. The app will display a notification indicating linking is complete. Tap OK. Linking without a mobile device. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Then press the C1, C2, and record button at the same time. When the remote controller starts beeping, press the link button on the aircraft. If linking fails, please try again. If linking fails repeatedly, please contact DJI support. Thank you for watching.